Hey guys, Jimmy Mahalik here. Welcome back to the channel. As my channel's growing, it's growing. I've had over 100,000 viewers watch my videos recently. I'm getting a ton of messages about how does Amazon FBA work and how do you get started and all that stuff. So I want to go over that for you in this video. I know a lot of you have seen people making a lot of money on Amazon. And the great thing is you can do it from home. Amazon recently announced that there's over 200,000 people making over $100,000 per year on Amazon. The cool thing is you do this from home and you don't really have to touch products and all that stuff. So what is Amazon FBA? So FBA is Fulfillment by Amazon. It's a whole program that Amazon has that they basically do the shipping and the customer service and the handling and all that stuff for you. So that's what's really exciting about Amazon FBA in 2020 or 2020 is that they do the majority of the work for you. And I understand, like, if you're first getting started, there's a lot of information and your head's probably spinning. Mine was too when I first found out about it and I was first learning everything. There's a lot to learn, but I'm going to go over the first basic steps that you need to learn or that you'll need to do to get up and selling on Amazon. So the first thing you're going to need to do is what's called product research. You're going to need to find a profitable product to sell on Amazon. And I have other videos on my YouTube channel about this, but for the most part, you're going to use a software, a product research software. You're going to either use Jungle Scout or Helium 10. And I'll put some discount links for you down below in the description, but you're going to need to learn how to use this and what type of products to look for and all that stuff. So when you find a profitable product, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to find a manufacturer or a supplier who already makes these products and make it for you, and you're going to add your own private label onto it. A private label is basically your own brand name. You're going to come up with your own brand name, put it on there, and bam, you have your own brand, you have your own product. So let's just say, for example, you're selling a flashlight. You'll put your private label name on the box or maybe even on the flashlight itself. You'll go to a website called Alibaba, which is a multi-billion-dollar company of manufacturers. Is you can go in there and just type in LED flashlight, for example, and you'll find hundreds of manufacturers that are already making all this stuff for you. They already know how to make it and, you know, all that stuff. So it's pretty easy. So what you'll do is you'll then place an order to have them manufacture these products for you, and you'll order several hundred of these most of the time to start. And then you're going to have those shipped directly to an Amazon warehouse. Okay, so Amazon is going to store all these products for you. Let's just say it's a flashlight again. They're going to store all these flashlights for you, and every time someone goes on Amazon and they search for an LED flashlight and they find your flashlight and they buy it, Amazon picks that and they pack it and they ship it to the customer, and the customer gets it with 1-day shipping or 2-day shipping, and bam, you know, basically that's the cool thing about Amazon is that they have over 105 million Amazon Prime customers alone. These are customers that are paying over $100 a year for Amazon Prime alone. And there's something like 325 million people in the US, and 105 million of them are paying for Amazon Prime. And that doesn't even count all the people that don't have Prime. So over 50% of every single item sold online anywhere comes through Amazon, and that's the really cool thing. And, like, you know, if you go to like Macy's.com to you know, buy something, that's Macy's selling it, but on Amazon it's people like me and you selling it, and Amazon is just kind of the logistics company and the fulfillment company doing all the hard work for us. But when every time somebody buys a product on Amazon, somebody like me or you makes the commission, and that's what's cool. And there's millions of products, so you don't have to worry about me and you selling the exact same product, because there's literally millions of products. And so every time someone buys your product on Amazon, you're making the commission, you're making the profit, and Amazon just literally direct deposits that into your bank account, you know, every 2 weeks. So that's the really cool thing about Amazon. And generally, you're looking for products that make at least $5,000 a month, anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 a month per product is normally what you're looking for, or maybe a little bit more, but at least $5,000 a month per product. So the other question I get a lot is, do I need to know how to do all this stuff? Can I do this as a beginner? And the answer is yes. In fact, the vast majority of my students start off as complete beginners, and my step-by-step course just teaches them everything they need to know along the way. I have a bunch of students that are making over $10,000 per month right now, and that's the really cool thing is literally one product can do that. One or two products can get you there once you're up and selling on Amazon, and you could do this as a complete beginner. You just need to learn what you need to do every single step of the way, and that is exactly what I'm teaching people in my course and on this YouTube channel. So what does my course have? My course has over 150 different videos teaching you step-by-step what to do along the way. It's broken down into a 7-week course and a bonus section, and you can kind of go through it as fast as you want or as slow as you want. Some people fly through it and they get through it really quickly. Other people take their time because they're working their 9-to-5 job. And the cool thing about it is that I will be there to answer your questions along the way. We have a students-only Facebook group that you can post in, ask questions, share your results in also. And also you can message me or email me personally when you're a student, and I will answer your questions. Almost all the time it's pretty much the same day. And that's the cool thing is that, the course is going to probably answer about 95% of your questions, but I'll be there to answer the other questions because you're going to have questions along the way. It's just natural. And that's the cool thing about this step-by-step guidance, that you get with my course. The other big question I get is, can anybody do this? So if you're not in the US, if you're in Canada, Australia, China, Hong Kong, those are the other big ones. Yes, you can sell on Amazon. So you can sell on Amazon US, which is the big marketplace, but there's also Amazon in all these other countries, Amazon India, Amazon UK, all these other places you can also sell on in addition if you decided you wanted to. In fact, over 50%, maybe somewhere around 50% of my own students are from different countries, Canada, Australia, UK, China. Those are the most common ones. So as long as you're not from a restricted country, you can sell on Amazon. There's just a few restricted countries that you can't sell on Amazon. But like I said, over 50% of my students are not from the US and are still selling on Amazon. That's the cool opportunity with this. And like I said, I'm teaching my students how to do this. I have a link down in the description below for my course. I have a step-by-step course that teaches you how to do all this stuff that you'll need to do if you want further guidance, okay? So if you're new here, the next 3 things that you should do is this. So number 1, click the subscribe button down below. And after you subscribe, click the bell icon that appears right next to the subscribe button so that you don't miss out when I publish new videos, so you can continue learning about this stuff. Number 2 is you want to join our free Amazon FBA Facebook group. The link is down below in the description. And again, that is so you can continue to keep learning for free, and you can ask questions and learn all this stuff along the way. I have all these videos on my YouTube channel that you can also check out. Number 3 is if you haven't taken my Amazon FBA free training, you're going to want to watch that next, and I will link that over here for you. So watch my Amazon FBA free training, and if you have any comments, ask me down below in the comments section, and I will see you in the next video.